There is a magnetic at the end of this bar, not at the end of any other, and here there is the circuit that feeds the movement. The movement is chaotic, that says that it is not unpredictable, but every starting condition will give a total different situation. It is not clear how much time it is needed to return to the same situation, maybe billion years, or who knows. One of the possibility to search for a pattern is maybe to count the rotation, the consequently rotation on the left or on the side of the longest bar. And this could be maybe easily checked with two sensors on the two opposite sides of the bar. Maybe one day I will accumulate in a PC this data. It is basically a dual pendulum whose movement can be predicted by not very complicated equations, but again it is chaotic, so this means that the starting condition change, like in the forecast of the weather, change dramatically what the pendulum does after the initial conditions. And also inside there is a circuit that gives an extra force to continue the movement despite to the damping, mechanical damping. And this also creates a new variable because there are batteries, and batteries during the time will surely lose part of force that push the end of the longest bar where there is the magnet.